Got one. Got one. Decent one. It's a decent one. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. No!
Tristan, dude, come on. I can't be doing that.
Bruh, I was waiting for the net. I'm not blaming you, but I was just waiting for the net.
Oh, the net was not in a good place.
I should just boat flipped him.
Yeah, I thought you were going to.
Well, I was like kind of deciding this rod's so light, I was kind of scared of it, honestly. I just kind of hesitated. It's okay. Not really fighting that hard. At least that one wasn't.
Get it?
No. Hold on. Got it. Oh! Oh! Sorry. That came like a bullet, dude.
That's okay. Just give me a new boat and chill.
Give me a new boat, we're even. Seems like a fair deal to me. You get a new boat, I get a fish off of your new boat. Get off of there. Oh. Got one. Little guy. Is that a small? That's a smallie.
He's a weird looking color. Is he? Yeah, it is. Then you gotta win.
Boom. First bass of the day, baby. All right, now we're rocking.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I've got like 25 followers.
No, how many of them know you?
Like 2.
Plus 0.
Nah, I'm like 2. LJ and Hunter. Oh, oh. Yep. Yep. That's a decent smallie. That's a decent. Shut up. That is a decent smallie. You leave me alone. That's a chunky smallie.
You just put them all over your jacket.
What was I supposed to do? Lose them?
Interesting. You're getting your jacket all slimy.
It's just the inside of it.
Okay, weigh him. Weigh him. He is a football. I don't think he's actually keeper wise, but we'll say.
Where's your scale?
Look at how retarded I am.
We're doing 1 fish. 1 pounders.
1 pound. It's right here. I don't actually know how it works, so you're gonna have to figure that out.
Oh, I do. I don't know, he might be like a pound.
I know the power button is right there.
Come on now. Okay. Are we gonna just play like, let's just do any fish over pound counts and we'll just keep a total weight running. You know, like Bassmaster?
You're in MLF.
Yeah, MLF. 1.21 pounds.
I actually don't do that anymore, but
Let's just run it that style. That's fun. Like ILF.
yeah, but it'll
1.21.
it was actually a pound.
Yeah, 1.21.
I was not expecting it to even be a pound.
Here, I'm gonna keep just a running total going.
Did you save it to one of the fish?
No, because we're gonna just go by pounds and we're gonna catch a lot today.
But then if we catch 5 big ends though, like it'd be
Then we'll keep that separate.
okay. If we catch a big end, we'll put something.
Okay. 1.21 so far. Got him. Chunk.
Let's go!
That's a chunk. First largie.
Almost as big as the tube.
Hell yeah. They don't call us bass pros for nothing. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so me and Noah suck. We're heading back. We're gonna look at some new rods because I'm struggling on my tube game. Need some, like, good pick me up on that. Noah's driving, as always. This is his boat. What does Noah got to say about the day here?
You know, we just weren't on them today. Probably we had a 5 fish limit for about 3 pounds. So I don't know, just not a great day. We'll get them next time. We also didn't really fish for that long though, so yeah, it's been probably like 3 hours, but I'm hungry and fishing's not great, so we're ready to go.
All right, we'll catch you guys next time. We're gonna go get food. We'll be back out soon, hopefully. Thank you.